I'll take a question from here. These are from our sisters. So I'll start with an easy one. What should we name our baby? Boy and girl option. Well, I don't know. This is up to you. This is up to you. I'll give you the guidelines. Now, some people say you've got to name him an Islamic name. But what is an Islamic name? Bilal? My name's Bilal. But when did it become Islamic? Bilal existed before Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It existed way before. It existed in Ethiopia. And Bilal, Arabized, means moist throat. For example, Ahmad was named before. You've got names like Rebecca and Rachel. They were wives of prophets before Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So what is an Islamic name? Basically, we call it Islamic name, but what it means is any name that has a good meaning and is easy for people to say. Now, we live here in the Western world. We've got a problem with pronouncing people's names. When I first came to this, when my father came here, I was born here, of course, and he named me Bilal. Oh boy, for 20 years till today I have trouble with people calling my name. Belal, Bilen, Biled, Billah, Bill, Billy. So, and once there was a guy who called me, I was selling something, Aussie bloke, probably from the countryside, very strong Aussie accent. He says, "What's your name?" I said, "Bilal." He goes, "Say it again." I said, "Bilal." He goes, "Repeat." "Bilal." And then he goes, and he kept getting it wrong. In the end, I said, "Just call me Bill." So he goes, no, say your name and make sure that I say it right. So I kept repeating maybe 10 times until he got it right. And he said, "That's the way. You keep your head up. Just like we forced your parents and grandparents to learn our names, you should also make us learn your names properly." I gave him a clap. I said, "Good on you, man. Not many of you are around these days." So anyway, easy on the tongue, meaning within your community, not too much of a long name. It's disliked to avoid two names, middle name and first name, because then it confuses people. Which one is it? Oh gosh, you should see when I do marriages for people and I find out their names. Depending which background you're from, bro, some of them I've had like 6 names. I said, "Which one is it? Which one do you want me to say?" So anyway, a good name that has a good meaning. Number 2, it is not a name which has a meaning of any other specific religious belief. And number 3, preferably to be easy that people can say. Other than that, Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam recommended in one hadith, authentic hadith, he said, among the names which Allah loves is Abdullah and Abdul Rahman. These are among the boys' names. But really, any name with a good meaning, insha'Allah, is good. And the naming of the child is the right of the parents, no one else. It is the right of the parents and no one else. May Allah bless that baby boy or girl for whoever has had one or is about to have one.